If you love buying chicken pie at the shops, let me show you a quick way of making it at home. First, you need 4 cups of flour. You pour it into a bowl and then you add your condiment. I'm using 500 grams of butter for this video, and I'm adding my butter into my flour base. I'm mixing this together with my fingers. Disclaimer, this gets really messy at this stage, so you need to wash your hands before starting. So you mix this together until you have a dough-like consistency. And then I'm transferring my dough into a plastic bag and setting this in my fridge to allow it to set for a few minutes. For your chicken fillets, you need two. For your chicken fillings, you need 2 chicken fillets, your onions, and you boil this up for a few minutes. And then in your frying pan, you add some oil, some diced onions, and then you add some of your veggies onto the pan as shown in this video. And you mix this together to ensure that it's fully saturated, and then you add some of your chicken fillings to the veggies and after this I'm adding my condiment. I'm using salt, curry, thyme, and I'm mixing this together, and then I'm adding some of my chicken stock to my chicken filling, mixing this together and allow it to cook for a few minutes. And then I'm adding a little bit of cornstarch to thicken the chicken filling while it's cooking. For my chicken dough, so at this stage I'm bringing out my dough from the fridge, and then I'll cutting it out into small flour doughs as shown in this video. I'm using a red cup bowl to do this, but you can use any other type you want. And that is me having my dough slice. And on my dough slice, I'm adding my chicken fillet onto the dough slice and spreading it out. And then, as you can see in this video, the chicken fillet is evenly distributed on the dough slice. And then I'm using an egg wash to wash the edges, to wash around the edges to ensure that it's um and then I'm using another slice of the dough to cover up the chicken fillet with the other slice of the dough under it. And then I'm pressing down the edges with with a fork to ensure that the chicken fillet is secured in the dough while I transfer it to my oven pan. Then I'm transferring my chicken dough now, my chicken fillets onto my baking tray, and then I'm giving it a quick egg wash to give it a golden brown color when it's baked. And I'm creating some pocket holes using a fork to allow ventilation in the dough when it's in the oven. And I'm transferring that into the oven for 30 minutes, and that's it, fully baked, golden brown, crispy on the outside and well cooked on the inside. And that's it done. Guys, let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed watching this video, and let me know your suggestion. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you. Bye. Crunchy. Creamy inside, crispy outside.